Hello and welcome to our channel on Insert Date. Today, we have an exciting update about IPTV, specifically on using Amazon Firestick. If you're new to the world of IPTV or looking to optimize your streaming experience, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for regular content like this, and visit 2tv.store, the premier provider for top-tier IPTV services. Let's dive into our fast and straightforward tutorial on setting up IPTV on your Amazon Firestick. Begin by turning on your Firestick and navigating to the search icon. Once there, type in Downloader to find the app you need for installing IPTV. After downloading, open Downloader and enter the URL for your preferred IPTV service. This action will initiate the download of the necessary app, allowing you to install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in with the credentials provided by your IPTV provider. Now, you're ready to explore a vast array of channels and enjoy endless entertainment. To wrap things up, we want to remind you to subscribe and stay connected for more tutorials. For the best IPTV experience, make sure to visit 2tv.store and catch the trend.